Hey everybody, it's Jasmine and today I'm bringing you guys a rainbow look for Pride Month. I don't know why I'm so late, but it's honestly better late than never at this point. I really wanted to figure out a look that I felt was wearable, that I could actually wear out without feeling like too crazy in it. So this one I feel like it is wearable. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video. It's pretty simple to do, so let's get into it. Alright everyone, so I have this eye all completed. Today I have like a very natural makeup look. I am wearing like a little bit of face products and I do have like a transition shade on my eyes already from today. But I honestly just wanted to sit down and despite having makeup on my face, I just wanted to get into this. So this is the eyeshadow look that we are going to go for, and today's palette of choice is the Juvia's Zulu palette. You guys have seen this all over the internet. I'm sure most of you have it. And then I'm also going to dip into the Supreme Chaos palette from Prism Makeup. I do have a review on this palette on my channel. Now before I get started into the eyeshadows, I wanted to talk about the brushes because today's look is going to require a lot of pencil brushes. So if you have anything of this nature, then you will be able to achieve this look here pretty easily. So I'm going to start with a pencil eyeliner from Marc Jacobs. This is in the color Mist Me. It's a pastel purple. And I'm just going to create a baseline to where I want my purple crease. Then for the outer corner of that crease, I'm going to take another shade. This is Whirlpool. And I'm going to finish off the end with a wing. So with the purple, I'm going to use this one on top of the purple eyeliner to intensify it and also to give me control. Now a lot of people just go straight into the eyeshadow, and you totally can. I just find that having the eyeliner first just makes the look overall easier and looks a little bit better. Now I'm going to take a teal shade and I'm going to apply this right on top of the other teal eyeliner that we placed. And right where the teal and the purple meet, we're just going to go right ahead and blend the two together just so that it looks a little bit more seamless and put together. I'm going to take this time to put some concealer right under where we applied those eyeliners just so that it looks a little bit more crisp and clean and is also a base for the other shadows that we will be applying. So we're going to start by packing on a yellow right here in the inner corner. And then we are going to ombre it to an orange and then a red. It's pretty simple, just packing it on with a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to add a pretty dark shade right after the red, and I'm going to try and go in with a pretty dark blue, almost reaching a little navy. I don't know if you can see on this side, and then I'm going to go in with purple. Just a little bit, just pat it. We will blend. And then with the tip of this brush, I'm just going to go in with the purple for the wing part. And then drag it into the blue to continue to blend it together. We're going to take a little bit more concealer and we're going to sharpen up this purple. For the inner corner, I thought it'd be fun to add a shimmery lime green, just because I feel like there's just not enough green in this equation. So we're just going to apply this right in the inner corner just to brighten things up. And this is going to be our only shimmer shade for the eyes. The lower lash line is going to be super simple. It's pretty much just going to be the orange, yellow, and red ombre down here. Pretty simple. I wanted it to be kind of neutral, or like, I guess your everyday colors, I suppose. So I'm just going to apply this on another pencil brush and just go for it. Huh? Whoa. I did a colorful look. You like it?
Let me see.
I'm trying to apply this eyelash.
Wow, that looks hella nice.
Thank you.
Wow.
Alright, since I've been sweating and since this is the hottest room in the house, I'm gonna blot my sweat away. It is literally so hot. I took a 3.5-hour nap and I woke up like in a puddle of sweat.
Oh my god.
And I was like, I'm actually
You don't want to use the fan?
Oh, I know. I literally just passed out.
Oh.
I literally, like, right when I sat on the bed, I was like, like I died or something. I'm gonna reapply my bronzer. This is the Catrice Sun Lover bronzer. I'm not gonna do too much to the cheeks since we have such a heavy eye look today, but I do want to go in with more bronzer just so that my face doesn't look too dull and that there's actually a little bit of dimension to it. And then I'm going to bring this right on the apples of the cheeks. So I'm going to smile, bring it up, and then also apply it on the nose as well. Okay, and then I'm going to take something a little bit darker. This is Bahama Mama, and I'm going to get it right in the hollows, just so there's a little bit more sculpting going on, and then a little bit more on the chin and jaw. For highlight, I'm going to use one of my old favorites. This is the Real Her Keep Going highlight, and I'm just going to apply it like that with my ShopMissA highlighting brush. This is so good. I also have a discount code for Real Her if you guys are interested. It's in the description box. It's for 15% off, I believe. So today I'm going to go in with a black lip simply because I feel like nude is going to be a little too boring. So today's lipstick of choice is the ShopMissA AOA Studio Wonder Lip Lock, and this one is in Night Girl. And then if I need a lip liner, I do also have my NYX.
It's a spider hanging next to me.
Where? Where? Oh my god. Oh!
I lost it!
I found it!
I see it!
I'm focusing on it.
It's crawling!
Help us!
I haven't turned my head.
I don't have anything. Get a napkin! I don't know!
Ma!
This definitely dried out. And
The black lip.
yeah, because this was a lot creamier when I bought it. I must have like not closed it.
Like properly?
Yeah, I probably didn't, but it's fine. They have been launching these fireworks all day.
I know, yesterday was... Ugh.
Alright everyone, that wraps up this video. Hope you guys all enjoy. Thank you guys so much for waiting for a rainbow look. I know I've been hinting it for a long time, and it took me this long to go and actually do it. So I hope you guys all end up liking this look and end up trying it out for yourself. So I will see you guys in my next one, and I love you so much. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.